Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fill out a RIA money order. First, write the recipient's name on the line that says Pay to the order of. Make sure the name is spelled correctly. This is the person who will cash or deposit it. Next, fill in your name and address in the purchaser or from section. Then write the payment amount in both numbers and words, just like you would on a check. After that, sign your name on the purchaser's signature line. Finally, keep the receipt or stamp attached to the money order. This is your proof of payment. And that's it. Your RIA money order is now ready to send. And that's how to fill out a RIA money order. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.